Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys the best jailbreak tweaks for the third week of March 2018. So enjoy the tweaks and let's get started. The first tweak for this video is called XB Hide, and it allows you to hide any of your icons from the home screen. All you have to do is just go to the edit mode just like this, and from here what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on any of the icons that you want to hide and just hit the home button right here, and it will hide that icon as easy as that. Of course, if you want to get back that icon on your home screen, what you need to do is just tap there on the status bar where it says unhide icons. Just tap there. Okay, let me just tap here. It doesn't work. Let me go back to the edit mode. Okay, so just tap there and click on that icon, click the home button, and now it will ask you to respring your device. And once you do respring your device, that icon will be back on the home screen of your device. Just like that, you can see the icon is back there. It has put it on the dock, but you can of course rearrange it to the place it was before. Detailed battery usage is a tweak that will show you detailed information about the usage of your battery. So when you go to settings, you go to the battery section, you scroll down here, you will see total drain, active usage, and you will see the background usage right here. And if you scroll right here, you can see other stuff that is using your battery, which Apple won't show you. And then down here you will see all the internal battery informations of your battery. You can see it right here. So this will be shown only with this tweak installed. And then here you have a switch button where you can turn on or off this feature. More power options is a tweak that gives you extra power options when you go to the power down menu. So this will completely replace the stock power down menu, and you will have 4 buttons instead of 1. So you will have the shutdown, respring, reboot, or a button to go to the safe mode. And of course a cancel button right there if you want to cancel. BlackOutCC gives your device a totally black control center. You can see it looks really awesome. If you go to the settings of this tweak, what you have here is an enable button. Then you can hide the status bar on the control center. You can enable the black control center right here. You can also enable black folders. You can see right here the folder icons, and the folder background here will be black. And also you can hide the page dots, hide the folder labels, and also you can hide the blur behind the folders. You can see there is no blur at all behind the folder. CCTimeChevron is a tweak for your control center, which will replace the chevron that shows here on the stock control center with the current time. So instead of that chevron, which of course is not useful, you will have the current time right there. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some of the best iOS 11 jailbreak tweaks that have been released during the past week. I hope you guys enjoyed the tweaks. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one.